How to store a Ryobi cordless lawnmower. So first thing I like to do is flip up the front cover here and remove the battery and store these separately. I either charge it at this point, or if I've still got battery left and it doesn't need charging, I simply store it in a dry, cool place. Then what we need to do is lift the back flap here and remove the grass storage bag. This is the time to clean it, and I always store this separately. Next, I release these wing nuts on the handle, fold down the handle, and then I store mine like this. Never have the blade sticking out because you could catch yourself or anything like that. Always store it against the wall like that. And that's how I store my Ryobi cordless lawnmower. If you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.